Now I'm going to share Norwex's laundry detergents. We have 4 of them. I'm going to start with my absolute favorite. This is PowerZyme. It is so good. It's a game changer. If you have tough stains, stubborn odors, it has a multi-enzyme blend which targets proteins, starches, and grease, making this perfect for like really tough loads, gym clothes, kids clothes, bedding, challenging spills and stains. Think of like wine and pasta sauce. It also brightens colors and freshen fabrics. It has the enzymes like subtilicin, amylase, and cellulase to ensure a really deep clean, but it's also 91% certified bio-based, biodegradable, and free from those harmful fillers and synthetic dyes, and also no SLS or SLES. I love that it works in all water types and temperatures, cold water, hard water, you name it. It's really ideal for all families. Now, we also have a liquid laundry detergent. These are great. They're designed for busy families. They're very ultra concentrated. So I just use 1 pump per load, which eliminates spills and mess and maybe overdosing, right? It's enzymes in here, tackles things like grease, dirt, lingering odors. You can choose unscented, which is great, or the lavender, which is scented with essential oils just for a little bit of freshness. Now, these are 97% bio-based with a biodegradable formula. And so this detergent minimizes the environmental impact. 1 bottle can do 230 loads, plus it's recyclable packaging containing ocean-bound plastic, making it both effective and eco-friendly. Now, here's a customer favorite, the Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent. This gives us powerful cleaning for all-purpose use. This is an enzyme-free, mild soap-based laundry detergent. It's great for your everyday laundry, brightens whites, brightens colors, removes grease, all without harmful fillers or optical brighteners. And it dissolves completely, which I love, so it leaves no residue in our washer or on our clothes. UPP is what we call it. It's biodegradable, free from SLS, SLES, phosphates, and synthetic dyes, and works awesome in all water temperatures, including hard water. So this is efficient and very sustainable. All right, we've got one more, which is so good. I always have one of these in my laundry room. This is the EcoWash Laundry Detergent Strips. These are the ultimate in eco-friendliness. So these strips are compact. They're pre-measured. Let's see if I have one open. And they dissolve completely. They're 60% bio-based content, and they do have a fresh blossom scent that is just really pleasant when we use. I don't notice that it leaves a scent on my fabric, but look at this little cardboard pouch, so no plastic waste. This is great for travel, zero waste living, great for college students. My nephew's in the Air Force. These are just really nice. And look at these strips. So great. So here's why choosing eco-friendly laundry detergents is really important. There are 9 million tons of plastic that enters our ocean every year. Also, the optical brighteners in some detergents are chemicals that don't break down in nature, and they're very toxic to marine life. Also, using bleach, like I used to use a lot of bleach. There are over 31,000 calls to poison control every single year, with children being the most effective. Now, as for which Norwex laundry detergent is best for you, PowerZyme is great for your tough jobs. I like pairing it with laundry stain remover, the bright and white. This is my go-to for all the tough stuff. The liquid laundry detergent is perfect for active families, your delicates. It's a mess-free laundry routine. Ultra Power Plus, this is excellent for your all-purpose cleaning. It has superior cleaning and brightening and whitening. There's lots of off-label uses for this one. And then, of course, the EcoWash strips. They're compact, travel-friendly, zero waste, ideal for all the eco-conscious households. So in closing, Norwex laundry detergents aren't just about cleaner clothes. They're about cleaner water, healthier skin, healthier families, and of course, a healthier planet. So I hope this video was helpful. I really appreciate you watching. Any questions you have, just drop them below. I'll see you again real soon. Bye for now.